The YICHEN Crushing Bucket is an excavator-mounted crushing utility bucket known for its rugged and durable construction. It is suitable for granular processing of natural stone and in-situ crushing of other inert materials. It is characterized by compact size, easy transportation. Compact bucket shape pan multifunctional compound. Maximizes the use of excavator hydraulic system power source, improves the efficiency of production operations, and greatly reduces operating costs. The crushing bucket can be used in the following application scenarios, such as reinforced concrete crushing, mining rock crushing, cobblestone crushing, construction concrete crushing, and so on.